Good day, everyone. I am present to you that website of Super Daddy Milk. So today, makikita po natin dito yung homepage. This is the homepage of Super Daddy Milk Tea. Makikita po natin dito yung short clip video po for entry, and may footer po tayo. And as you can see, makikita rin po natin yung pinaka-entry ng text. Enjoy your milk tea with Super Daddy. Indulge in our delicious milk teas crafted with love and care. As you can see, makita rin po natin dito yung browse menu kung saan mapupunta po siya sa menu page na dito po lahat ng Taiwan milk tea na choco almond milk tea, cookies and cream milk tea, dark chocolate milk tea, Hershey mega cheesecake, Nutella Oreo, strawberry milk tea, ube milk tea, winter melon milk tea, na kung saan pang student budget po siya kapag gusto mo po ng fresh milk. Eksakto po ngayon na sobrang init ng panahon. And also, we have a special cheesecake wraps na sobrang tamis, sobrang masarap. And meron po tayong Hershey Oreo cheesecake na medyo pricey po siya. Pero meron tayong Hershey Oreo mango cheesecake wrap, matcha cheesecake wrap, Nutella Oreo cheesecake, and strawberry cheesecake wrap, and Nutella Oreo, and pearl milk tea cheesecake, and iceberg coffee kung gusto nyong mag-design. Meron din po ang Super Daddy ng iced coffee, Vietnamese iced coffee na kung saan din na pang student budget din po siya. And may fruit tea po tayo, may blueberry fruit tea, green apple fruit tea, and lychee fruit tea. And meron din tayong frappuccino na caramel macchiato, and mochaino wrap, and so lahat. And about page po tayo, meron po tayo our story, our mission, and our values. Super Daddy was born from a passion for handcrafted milk tea creations that burst with flavor and quality. We use only the finest ingredients to bring you delightful selection of classic and innovative milk beverages. Natanong ko dito yung client po natanong ko po siya na kung paano sila din nag-start sa Super Daddy. Nag-start lang din po sila sa maliit na negosyo. Nag-try daw po sila ng mga kung paano magtimpla, ganyan, na paano nila makukuha yung timpla na gustong ng mga estudyante, ng mga matatanda, na kahit sino po. May mission din pa na our mission is to be a good destination for satisfying and enjoyable beverage experience. Whether you're craving a quick pick-me-up or a delicious treat to share with your friends, and we got something for everyone. Our values: using high-quality ingredients, offering creative flavors combinations, providing exceptional customer service, and creating a welcoming atmosphere for everyone. And po, lahat. We're going to contact page po. Saan makikita po natin dito yung map. And gusto nyo rin pong map kung gusto nyo pong mag-walk-in. Ayan po. Pwede po yung napupunta din po sa Google Maps. Kung saan po tayo ayan po, dito po. And then contact us. Ang opening hours po natin is Monday to Friday at 9 o'clock a.m. to 10 o'clock p.m. At ang address po natin is makikita po natin sa 10 Pacheco Street, Paribaran, Valenzuela City. And the phone is 099. Ayan po. Contact po natin. Mapupunta rin sa WhatsApp. And Super Daddy Milk Tea na kung saan itapon natin. Yan. And meron din po tayong Super Daddy YouTube ay Super Daddy Facebook, kung saan po natin may kita ang lahat ng or mag-visit po. And also you can message this website para po sa gusto niyo pong orderin. And that's all po. Thank you.